Insight learners. So in this video we have three job updates for today. So the first company is Nokia, and the second one is Visa, and the third one is Verint. So we shall see the job details and everything for all of these three companies. So the first company for today, it is Nokia. So the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and the experience, so it is for freshers, and the salary of the CTC, it is 8 to 13 lakhs per annum, and the work location for this is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so the qualification needed either BTech, MSc or BSc graduates in either computer science or telecommunication engineering or the relevant technical stream, so they are eligible to apply for this role. So coming to the skills which are required to apply for this, so you need to have good knowledge on either C or C++ programming, and also good knowledge on networking as well as operating systems, and knowledge of cloud management interfaces, and knowledge of embedded software design, and so like you need to have knowledge on various IP networks and the different protocols, and familiarity with the mobile network architecture, it can be 4G or 5G. So these are the technical skills which are required to apply for this role. Coming to the selection process, for the first round it will be the application submission, then second will be the online assessment. So the mode of test, it will be online, so it includes technical MCQs, either C or C++ programming MCQs and the code snippets, then followed by the coding challenges, and there will be aptitude MCQ questions. So this will be the first round, like online assessment, then followed by technical interview. So there will be 1 to 2 technical interviews, followed by managerial interview, and the last round will be the HR interview. So these are the 5 rounds included in the selection process for the Nokia. So then coming to the second company, that is Visa. So the role they are hiring, it is for the software engineer, and that too they are looking for Java developer, and the salary, it ranges from 13 to 18 lakhs per annum, and the experience for this, so a minimum you need to have 6 months to 1 year, or more than that is also preferred, and the work location for this, it will be Bangalore, and it is hybrid based, which will be 2 to 3 days office. So coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so like qualification is either B or BTech graduates, and the batch eligible is 2023 or 2024. So coming to the skills, like as they're looking for the Java developer, so you need to be strong in Java programming and the good, like strong knowledge on OOPS concepts, and apart from that, it is good to have knowledge on JavaScript, J2EE, and then shell scripting, and knowledge of RDBMS, and like knowledge on continuous integration, code or test coverage, and working on various methodologies. So these are the main tech stack which are required to apply for this role. Coming to the selection process for this, so there will be online assessment, and which will be conducted on the HackerRank platform. So there will be three coding questions, like simple, medium, and the complex one. So you can code in Java programming, and followed by there will be technical interviews, in which it consists of various coding challenges, and there will be questions on design discussions, and last will be the manager round. So these are the 3 rounds included in the selection process. So then this was all about the second company, and the third company, that is Verint. So the role they are hiring, it is for associate software engineer, and the salary at the CTC, so 9 to 10 lakhs per annum, and the work location for this, it will be Bangalore. So coming to the eligibility criteria for this, so the degree required is by either B or BTech graduates, and even BSc graduates in either computer science or any other technical streams, so they are eligible to apply. And the experience, so you need to have at least 1 year to apply for this role. So coming to the skills which are required to apply for this, so I need to have knowledge on front end, back end, as well as the database skills. So technical skills like Linux or Unix server knowledge and knowledge of cloud computing, that is AWS, is needed, and experience using the database like MongoDB or NoSQL. So NoSQL database technologies like MongoDB, and also you need to have knowledge on Oracle database, and knowledge of RESTful web services and JSON, as well as experience with the TDD. And coming to the front end skills, like you need to have knowledge on either JavaScript and the various JavaScript frameworks, and HTML, CSS, and TypeScript is needed. And coming to the backend development, so you need to have knowledge on Node.js, then database as discussed, MongoDB or NoSQL. So these are the main technical skills which are required to apply for this particular role. So coming to the selection process, the first round will be the phone screening. So once you submit the application form, so you'll be getting the call from the HR in which your communication skills will be tested. So after that, there will be coding challenge, like there will be online assessment, and the coding challenge, like there will be coding technical MCQ questions on Java and OOPS concepts, and there will be like coding round also. And follow once you clear that, there will be technical interview which they mainly focus on Java Python programming, and you need to be strong in OOPS concepts and the data structures and algorithms and the various design patterns. So after that, there will be third round, which is the design discussion, and after that, fourth round will be the cultural fit interview, and the last round will be the HR interview. So these are the total 5 to 6 rounds which are included in the selection process. So this was about the third company, that is a Verint. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description. So you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.